Here's the app Bananai. Speak and create. Use your voice to prompt. Transform your photos with your voice. Bring your photos to life with the power of your imagination. With this app, you can edit any picture using just your photos and your voice. Simply describe what you want and watch your images transform instantly. Number one, AI photo editor. Try new looks in seconds. Background remover. So let's just install it. There are a lot of these apps every day. So you can then just open it up. And then you can see premium trial. So then it's like 7-day trial, and then there are tools. Then you can animate, creator history, and that Stadia.